guys? It is me, Angels LPS Studios, but I'm on a different account. Yes, I made this account. It's still new jammer. But, listen to the but. I got 101 sapphires from the Sapphire Records. And you know what's on sale today? Red Panda. So I'm gonna pick up this red panda next, yeah. And I'm going to name it the cutest name. So I'll be right back when I'm done. Okay guys, so I found the cutest name, Precious Kawaii Panda. So I'm gonna buy. Oh yeah. Oh my god, she is the cutest thing. So I'm gonna dress her up. Yeah, gotta get the red panda. I can't believe this day has finally come for me. Oh, this is really massive. Okay, so that's not adorable at all. My best friend gave me this. Don't worry, guys. Kind of like dress on me. Let's put a set on. A complete and a set. Ooh, I like it. Yeah. What about it? Oh, ooh, pretty nice. Oh, no. Ooh, pretty nice size. Check this out. Ooh, she looks so cute. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. I really like this red panda. She's looking awesome. But, oh yes, this is Faye. I'm gonna put my, oh my lord. Okay, so question. Can red pandas go in the panda only area? Because they're technically pandas. Okay. Oh, okay. So they can't go in the panda only area. But they're just red pandas. There's a one thing different, guys. The one thing different. It says red and not just panda. Jeez. So I really like this. So I'm gonna go with the colors. Oh, nice. Okay, so like, what do the flames look like on it? Oh, that's really nice. What a star. Oh, so cute. Oh. But I really like the flames. They're really cute. Gonna go with the white. And yeah, she's looking on point. That's one thing, I need to put some water wings on. Yes. This panda is big. So I'm gonna do the treasure hunt. Treasure hunt. Ooh, such tag. Ooh, let's go at random. Got nothing. 75 gems. Are you serious, girl? Are you serious? Girl, are you serious? Oh yeah, by the way, guys, today I have no school for the rest of the week, so expect a lot of videos. Oh, hi, new jammer. Oh yes, we gonna be panda buddies. Oh, we're panda buddies. Ooh, stylish. Swaggin'. swaggin', swaggin'. Yeah, swaggin'. Oh yeah. Now, cause I played a lot of games now from Lone Sapphire. Because I played a lot of games, I got a lot of gems. And I have some codes I could put in, and I'm gonna go decorate my humble home. No, I don't want to log out. This is not my new account. Okay, so it's Secret Elephant. I can't spell elephant, okay. Secret Elephant. Secret. I'll do those codes in another video, cause my voice recognition thingy, not recognition thingy, and my voice thingy is acting up for no reason now. Oh, we're on the same level. Oh, girl. Not you. Okay. But let's check out this dance. Okay, I want to check it out in the sand. Okay. So let's see the dance. Oh yeah, I swag it on you. Ooh, I'm dancing on you. Oh, he found something that he's scared of. Ooh, I'm jumping. Oh yeah. Sit. Oh, that's really quiet. And sleep, Daddy's the cute asleep. Second. Oh god, I don't know why my camera keeps zooming in. I'm gonna go out of my den and see what I can decorate. So this is my den. I don't have much. You don't have to trade me your stuff, guys. Don't worry. Yeah, but I had this account when the salmon came with the raccoon tail and the flag handcuffs and the star antennas. Because I'm a star. So yeah, I just didn't play much things. So I decided, because I can't get rid of Panda on my main account, I'll just get it on this account. Because I kind of on it every day except for my main. So yeah, I'll be doing a decorating video in my next video, guys. So yeah, this is all I have time for. So hope you guys have a good day and stay safe and jam on and play well. Bye guys.